How you doing, folks? Well, I'm just paying a visit to my Beetle here, and work is coming on apace with it, so it's really starting to take shape. Let's have a walk around it now, see how it's looking. Regular followers of my channel will see that will have seen that my car was looking pretty sorry for itself in the past, and it's starting to come together now. The new front inner arch repair section is in, and it's a really nice repair panel I got for that. Front part of the heat exchanger. Obviously welds need to be tidied up and dressed and that, you know, I mean, it's still kind of it's still in progress. Metal had actually separated, the tub for the spare wheel had actually separated from the cross member there, so that's just tacked in place for the moment, and that'll be dickied up. And then front bumper mount on this side has been replaced as well, and just any corrosion around the shock tower over this side has been addressed. So it is definitely it's definitely taking shape now, you know. We're starting to get there. The reason I actually called over today was to collect the drive shafts, because the gearbox is all spruced up, and I'm not going to be putting scabby looking drive shafts onto a nicely spruced up gearbox. I already got to use my new wheels. I'm really dying to take the car out just to give them a run on those wheels. It's funny, I know, but I mean, I paid a few quid for them. So gearbox will be going here, obviously, and I have new engine mounts, new gear shift bushings, front and rear. That's great fun trying to do that. If you look back through my previous videos, you'll see that as well. I have new flexible brake lines. I got these new braided flexible brake lines which do the job, and the back drums are freshly overhauled with new shoes, new springs and new handbrake cables, and the handbrake is all working and everything on it now. Front brakes are still in serviceable condition, but I might just pop the calipers off and have a look at them as well. These type of jobs are very easy to do when the body is off, but when it's back on, it's just a bit more of a faff, you know. It's easy to move around as it is. A bit of rot and that needs to be addressed there too. So yeah, we'll get there in the end, but I just said I'd give you a quick update, and yeah, it's won't be looking as sorry for itself, and even a workshop cat approves. So I am really dying to get this car back out on the road, I have to say. A long road now, to be honest with you. So we'll get there in the end, and at some point or another I have to try and get up to Northern Ireland to collect the freshly spruced up 1915cc engine, which has had a new camshaft put into it and ported out heads. This car is going to shift, it's going to move. So don't forget to like and subscribe, folks, and I will see you in a future video. Thanks for watching.